Hi!
Hello everyone!
Welcome to
Animal Studies!
Be with us as we journey together the different kinds of animals and their habitats. My name is Marjun.
And I am Karl, saying, Animal Studies is always an adventure. Today, in Animal Studies, we address the question, what are the different kinds of animals and their habitats? Before we go further, let me explain to you what is habitat.
Habitat is defined as a place where animals live and how they survive in that particular area. Habitat is taken from the Latin word habitare, which means having a home.
Yes, finally I'm home! I'm home!
What are the different kinds of animals and their habitats?
Fish is a kind of animal that has no limbs. It has gills and fins. Fish is considered as cold-blooded animals because their body don't produce heat. That's why they must remain in water. Fish comes from the Latin word pisces. P-I-S-C-I-S, which means water. Therefore, fish can only be found and live wholly in water. Fish, as a cold-blooded animal, their body temperature vary as their environment temperature changes. Therefore, fish are abundant in all bodies of water.
Fish is any member of paraphyletic group of organisms that consists of all gill-bearing aquatic intellectual animals. Most fish are exothermic, which means cold-blooded vertebrate animal, allowing their body temperature to change to the environment they are adapted for, though some of the large active fish can hold a higher core temperature. Fish are abundant in most bodies of water. They can be found in nearly all aquatic environments. At 32,000 species, fish exhibit greater species diversity than any other groups of vertebrates. The habitats of fishes are from the high mountain streams to the seas and even to the deepest depths of oceans.
Mammals are vertebrates. It may have backbones and complex nervous system. It is true that nowadays, the biggest land animal is a mammal. Mammal are vertebrates that may have backbones and complex nervous system. It's true that nowadays the biggest land animal is a mammal, from the tallest to the biggest carnivore to the biggest in terms of size. The basic body type is a four-legged land-born animal. But some mammals are adapted for a life at sea, in the air, in the trees, or on two legs.
The next kind of animals are reptiles. Reptiles is considered as a crawling, cold-blooded class of vertebrate animals. Reptiles can be distinguished by having a hard, dry, scaly skin, and usually these animals lay eggs. Reptiles comes from the Latin word reptos, which means to crawl.
Reptiles can be easily distinguished by having a dry, scaly skin, and typically laying soft-shelled eggs on land. Reptiles is a cold-blooded vertebrate. Reptiles consist of 4 orders which are very different from each others. The order includes Testodens. These are turtles. Next, the Squamata. This includes lizards and snakes. Next, the Crocodilia. It includes crocodiles and alligators. And the last order is the Rhynchocephalia, that contains the lizard-like Tuataras. Reptiles, however, lay eggs which have leathery shells which are resistant to drying. Inside the amnion encloses the embryo in a protected, moist environment in which nourishment is supplied by the sac and metabolic waste is stored by the allantois. So parental care is very rare in reptiles. In most species, reptiles are independent from the moment they hatch. Reptiles live usually either in seawater or freshwater, and also in land.
Ah! Reptile! Ah!
Bird is a different kind of species that suit different kinds of habitat. There are 6 types of birds' natural habitats. First is the heathland. Heathland usually occur on intertile soil. Heathland do not support tall trees. Most heathland plants are less than 2 meters tall. Heathlands are very dense habitats, and because most heathland plants are hard-lived, they form a prickly structure that provides good shelter for small birds. Second is the woodlands. Woodlands are a habitat type dominated by trees, but with a relatively low canopy cover of less than 30%. Eucalyptus dominate the canopy and the understory. Woodlands used to be common in the western part, which have more fertile soil. However, most of this habitat type has now been cleared, first for farmland and more recently for housing. The forest. Forests are a habitat dominated by trees with a canopy cover of between 30% and 50%. Rainforest. Forests grow on deeper, more fertile soil with moisture soil condition. They have a canopy greater than 30 meters in height, which are relatively close, greater than 70% canopy cover. Many rainforest plants produce fleshy fruits and berries, which are a valuable food sources for a range of bird species, but particularly parrots and pigeons. Wetlands. Wetlands are low-lying areas that are at least periodically inundated with water. Last but not the least is the coastal. Coastal habitats include beaches, headlands, and rock platforms that are home to many species of sea and bird.
Other kinds of animals are insects. Insects are considered as small kind of animals. Usually, the insects has 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings, or either 1 pair of wings, typically. Insects comes from the Latin word insecare, which means to cut up or into. That's why the body of insect are segmented into 3 parts: the head, the thorax which means the middle section of the insect, and the abdomen, or the parts of the body of the insects below the chest.
Insects are the animals with jointed legs, segmented bodies, and a tough or hard outer covering that also serve as their skeleton. In early 17th century, insects originally denotes any small cold-blooded creature with a segmented body. Insects can be considered as class Insecta or Arthropoda. Other Arthropoda classes have more than 3 pairs of legs and only 1 or 2 body regions, and they have never wings. So other common classes of Insecta, such as caterpillar, butterfly, snail, and many other insects. Insects can be seen anywhere, but they usually live in woodlands, rainforests, and any other places in the land.
Amphibians comes from the Greek word amphi, which means both, and bios, which means land and water. So amphibians can live both land and water. Amphibians, a cold-blooded vertebrate animal of a class that comprises the frog, toads, newts, and salamanders. They are distinguished by having an aquatic gill-breathing larval stage followed typically by a terrestrial long-breathing adult stage. Amphibians come from a Greek word amphi, means both, and bios, which is life, meaning they can live both land and water. Having two modes of existence or two doubtful nature, one of the example of an amphibian is a frog of its family.
Can you determine now the different kinds of animals and their habitats?
Very good!
Thank you for watching, and thank you for being with us in our journey. Be with us once again in our show here in Animal Studies, where studying animals is always an adventure.